is a finals match against El Platanero. I'll pick Ryu, I guess. Vega. Oh, you picked the gay guy. Why'd you do that? He sucks in this game. Shut up. You're not allowed to speak. Shut your face.
And there's the first hit. What will happen next? The fight has begun. These two challengers will only look smile.
In the fucking corner.
You can just feel the fear out there. It's tangible.
I didn't do that. Okay. Like, you gonna do anything? You're gonna backflip all day. You're gonna backflip all day, okay. You can backflip all day and I'll just slam the shit out of you. Okay, there you go, backflip again. And I'll slam you again. I didn't even want that. This guy's terrible. Another terrible player. 6,500 point scrub.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
Oh, that's so lucky. Oh, come on. Yes, up your asshole. Is he gonna attack me or is he gonna backflip the whole fucking round? He's gonna backflip the whole fucking round. Whoa, I didn't even do that. What the hell? I didn't do a fucking uppercut. That's not an ultra. He's gonna backflip the whole round again. He's doing it again. Why does this guy think that he knows what he's doing with Vega? He's garbage. Oh my god. Like he did nothing impressive whatsoever. All he did was backflips. I think he did one combo for 2 hits. Well, thanks for the points. Thanks for the points for Scrub. I love free points.